Hello mates, good evening. I'm Taylor Irwin with you tonight, the long lost daughter of Steve Irwin. Bloody stingrays. Anyways though, I'm just out here tonight in the natural habitat of college students. As you all know, they thrive during the evening hours. So come with me right now and we'll observe these animals in their natural habitats. Are you ready? Let's go!
Alright, I'm Zane Excel. I'm a freshman at UNCW. This is for freshman seminar. This is an interview.
I'm Megan Shelley. I'm a freshman living in Galloway, 6th floor.
My name is Luke Wilson. I'm a freshman at UNCW.
I'm Sam Zamuka. I live in Galloway, 6th floor, also known as the Penthouse.
Hey, I'm Taylor Smith.
I'm Kelsey Bryce.
We're roommates.
I'm Ashley.
I'm Anna.
We're roommates.
Hey, I'm Sean Buchanan, live in Galloway.
I'm Anna, and this is Brandy. She's my friend.
I really thought that college was going to be like a lot easier because like it's a lot of basic studies courses, and I'm actually like struggling in one of my classes. I wasn't expecting that to happen.
I mean, I went from senior year and I pretty much didn't do anything senior year.
I didn't have like any responsibilities.
Yeah. I didn't do any homework or nothing. Then it came here and I was like, whoa, alright, crack down time.
You actually have like incorporate elements like time management and like organize the schedule. Where that wasn't even an issue in high school. Like, yeah, you could do an assignment here or there, like you got by. Or at least in my experience.
No, yeah. And yeah, I was kind of a bad student in high school, so I kind of have to flip that around. But you know, it's a new beginning, so see how it turns out.
College, I expected it to be a lot more work so far. It really hasn't hit me that I have to really put a lot of effort in.
My expectations were that, like, you know, the classes were going to be a little bit harder.
In high school, I think we worked harder than here, honestly. I'm sorry if that offends anybody, but we worked hard.
Coming into college, I was really set on pre-med. You know, I wanted to be a pediatrician or like a physical therapist or something like that along those lines. But the more I got here and like I was just like here and like around all these like eco-friendly people, I've switched more into like the environmental science type of thing. So that's what I'm thinking, more of like environmental science, maybe like some Spanish. I think that's more it's more for me.
But in my case, I really like don't know what I want to do. I don't know if I want to be a doctor. Like, actually I don't. I don't want to be a doctor. I don't want to be an engineer, anything really like that. That's why I'm majoring in film studies, so I can maybe be a director or make movies or something cool like that.
Maybe anthropology. I really wanted to do chemistry because it's the easiest class, so. But, I mean, well, for me it is. I like chemistry, but yeah. And now I don't know. I still want to be a rheumatoid arthritis, though. A pediatric rheumatoid arthritis doctor.
I really want to find out what I want to do with my major and my career, because right now I've got a ton of interests. I just need to, you know, get those down to a few that I can look to pursue, and that's really giving me a hard time finding what I want to do with what I want to major in. And hopefully I'll get to that point and be happy.
There's a lot of things that surprised me that like I didn't think I would need, that I ended up discovering that I really needed here.
Like random items, like
yeah.
One night we were like in the kitchen making cookies because we've seen tons of people do that. And so like we weren't even like
make some cookies.
yeah, cookies are great. Like, and we were in the kitchen, and so the alarm goes off and they're done. But we realized we don't have an oven mitt. And those pans you can't just grab those pans.
Anything I forgot to bring. A really good bike lock. I got one of those cheap ones from Walmart. That didn't work. My bike was stolen, so that was upsetting.
I wish I had brought a bike. I actually just got a bike, so that was nice. No, you don't really need too much in college. Like, I could definitely survive without, like, I could survive on, like, a couple changes of clothes and, like, you know, like a computer. I didn't bring a bathing suit, even though we live at the beach. Let's see. Well, I didn't bring long pants.
Did not bring any jeans whatsoever, any jackets, rain jackets. Didn't bring a raincoat or anything. And I brought an umbrella that could suit for like a 3-year-old. It was small enough. It really did nothing for me. So I needed a bigger umbrella for that little tropical depression we had that just killed us. And basically I brought too much stuff. I've got a full room worth of, it's just got everything in here. And more, I should have brought ramen noodles. I didn't bring any ramen. Besides that, I got everything.
We got here and we discovered a fan. Yes, get a fan.
It blocks out the sounds
Yeah.
of people running up and down the hallways, people talking, and it's hot here.
Mm-hmm.
Like we're from the north, we're used to the cold.
Cold, yeah.
Other than that, just little things. I mean, you run out of the little things fast. Like food.
I'm in freshman seminar, have it Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Even though it's an hour long, I mean, you learn a lot of different things about where stuff is, but some of it I think you could pretty much learn in like 2 weeks of class, and then the projects and everything's great. Your Seahawk Link. Your Seahawk Link is probably one of the most important people I've met on campus so far, which she's shown me and taught me like all kinds of stuff about the different organizations, different groups, her opinion, her personal experiences on any and everything at all. She's a junior, so she knows quite a bit about the campus. She knows a lot of things that go on here, so pretty much it's just a really good resource that you can always turn to, always go to, text, call, Facebook, anything at all, and she'll always be there. If she doesn't know it, then I'm positive that like your Seahawk Link could give you a name, number, anything like that.
The freshman seminar class, with our journals, we get to write about really interesting things that help us think kind of outside the box. Mm-hmm. Like the last journal we wrote was about what kind of superhero would you be, what would your superhero name be, what your powers be.
I was mad at mute.
Now, I had a lot of fun in the class. Scott was a interesting teacher. I mean, I went with it. Might as well. I paid for the class. Might as well do the stuff for it. I liked it. A lot of people had problems with it, but I mean, I enjoyed a lot of the stuff. Not necessarily the play. Just don't like plays.
Because roommates are a huge part of your experience. Like you're with them countless hours, and so you really need someone that you could.
Yeah.
I mean, if you can't get along with, at least tolerate.
Yeah.
Or else you're gonna be kind of miserable.
I had a roommate who was not so great.
Truly monstrous.
Very monstrous. But we aren't allowed to say that, so she was alright. And I couldn't deal with that kind of circumstances, so I left. And I have I have great roommates now.
They're awesome.
I feel very fortunate that I've had wonderful roommates, and like I went in, random. I told all my preferences, and I ended up with wonderful people. Yeah, I was kind of worried at first about the roommate thing because, like, on the roommate survey, they only ask you like 10 questions, and you're like, how can they possibly match me with the perfect person from just these few little like key things? But definitely, definitely worked out. We share clothes. So
Yeah.
that's a plus.
And scarves.
Yep. Looked out.
I brought one book with me. No Impact Man. I should have brought some more books that I could read.
Have a good shout out to the No Impact Man. We were paid to like talk about that.
We have our own little recycling bin right there.
Oh yes.
Oh yeah? You'll get a shot of that, yeah. Bring it up.
Very
It's our own little recycling bin.
It says recycle.
Matches the pink trash can. We have two Brita water pitchers instead of buying plastic bottle
Oh yeah.
water.
We don't use
So-
plastic bottle. We use.
That needs to be fixed. Sorry, that was bothering me.
We're
Okay.
just advertising a whole bunch of stuff on this video.
Yeah. Buy your Brita today. A few times we take our own like bags to grocery stores and stuff.
We have been reusing bags.
Trying to be green, save the planet, people.
We reuse grocery bags to put on bicycle seats because sometimes when it gets rainy, no one wants a wet booty when you're not ready. So.
But recycling is important here. Recycle everything. It's illegal if you don't.
And stop throwing all your cigarette butts around campus. It's disgusting.
Yeah, it is pretty disgusting. So if you smoke, be cautious.
Yeah, Kelsey.
Oh boy, here she comes. Crikey! She got dumped on.